what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. And when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean. So be kind all the time. So I hope you guys are having a nice week so far. Like I always say, mine is going, it's going okay. So for this video, I was really, there goes the hair touching again. I'm like, what the hell? So for this video, I was asked by the amazing Jennifer, or she's also known on here as Amethyst Winters, to be a part of this collab idea that she had, which is a video where we talk about what we are grateful for, which is such a wonderful thing, because her thing is with all the negativity that's been going on in the world right now, it's nice to hear things that encourage like positivity, which being grateful definitely encourages positivity, because if you're grateful for something, usually that makes you happy. So I just thought this was such a great idea. I was really happy that she asked me to be a part of this. There is a bunch of, this is a multi-channel collab. I will have everyone who is a part of the collab listed below. I believe there's also going to be a playlist, so I will link that too. Some of these women I am familiar with and some of them are new to me, and I'm really excited. I love finding new people to support here, although I am again really behind on watching everyone. So if you've seen me pop up in the last like few weeks but then haven't seen me in a while or whatever, it's not that I'm not watching your videos. I'm behind. I'm just trying to slowly get through everyone's videos. I like to support everyone. It's just so great that there are so many people on here that you can watch and support. I was trying to figure out what palette I wanted to use for this collab, and for some reason I kept going back to my Aether Beauty Amethyst Palette, which is this one right here, and then you open it. Ooh, almost dropped it. Open it up and it looks like this. It's absolutely lovely, and I just thought for some reason it was so fitting, because amethyst is a healing crystal, then because amethyst healing properties are bringing peace to people, bringing calmness to people, promoting positivity, etc. It just really fits with this whole theme, and I really do love a good purple, so I decided I'm going to use this. And I have not used this on camera yet. I haven't used this all that much either, so this is exciting. So it's nice. I'm going to get to feature this palette on this video. I really like Aether Beauty. I think that they're really fun. This is Amethyst palette, but not only is it just called Amethyst palette, it actually has crushed up amethyst infused into the eyeshadows, which makes me really excited because I'm such a dork and you know how I feel about crystals. So I'm going to stop rambling and let's get into creating a look with this palette and talking about what I am grateful for. Okay, so like I always do, I just went in with my Louise Base and primed my eyes, and now I am going to jump into the color Meditation right here. And I'm just going to pick that up on like a little fluffy brush, and I'm just going to work that back and forth between my crease area. So one of the things obviously that I'm really grateful for is my family and friends. I have wonderful family and wonderful friends, and I am really grateful that I have such wonderful people in my life. That includes people on YouTube and in real life. So I'm very happy to have them in my life. I'm also grateful for my makeup, as stupid as that sounds. Makeup is something that I really love, and it brings me happiness to do, and I am so grateful that I get to buy it, if that makes any sense. High-end drugstore or whatever. I just love makeup. If it works good, I don't care what brand it is, how much it costs. If it works, and that's cool. I'm also thankful for all of you guys, because this is so cool to me. I started my channel about almost a year ago now, because I just loved makeup so much, and I'd always wanted to do one, and I finally got the nerve up, and I was just like, screw it, I'm gonna do it. I hadn't really had any like super friends on here or anything, so I had like nobody going into this, and it was so cool to find so many people. Like, I had bigger YouTubers and stuff I watched, but I found so many people through making my channel, and it's just been such a blessing. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate you so much for being here. I never thought I'd get 1 subscriber, let alone the few, the amount that I have now. So that's really, really awesome. So I thank you guys so much. It makes me so happy. Yeah. So I'm just gonna take a blending brush, and I'm gonna go just back and forth just to smooth out the top area there. And now I want to just take a pencil brush, and I'm going to go into the color, sorry, the names are on the thing, Mystic right here. Another thing I'm really grateful for is my little cat, my little Layla. I love her so much. She makes me so happy. She's my little baby. I'll post a picture of her right here. I don't have children, so she's my little child, and I just love her so much. I'm also grateful for my fur nieces, Bijou and Olive, and I'll post pictures of them here. I love them so much. They don't live with me anymore. They live, my sister and her girlfriend have their own place now, so they move with them. And I love when they come to visit because they're just the cutest little things, and I love them and they make me happy. I'm a huge animal person, so animals make me very happy. So I'm thankful for all the animal Instagrams and YouTube channels and just videos of animals being adorable, because they make me so happy. Like literally animal videos can put me from being like really upset to seeing them like a cute little like dog like run after a ball or something to making me super happy. So I'm very grateful for those. I'm just gonna jump into a darker color right now. I keep forgetting that the thing is on here, and it is called Centered. I just want to darken up the crease a tiny bit. I'm also really grateful that I get to sit and make these videos. I think it's so awesome that I get to share my love of makeup with people. And I'm just really happy that I'm able to make my videos and upload them. And I'm just going to take the brush that I had the lighter brown on, which I can't remember the name of, and just kind of go like that. So it looks like this. Now I want to jump into this color Third Eye right here, and I'm gonna put that all over my mobile lid. I'm not gonna put any glitter glue. I'm not gonna wet the brush. I'm just keeping this look very light and very pretty, just because I just really wanted. This is such a pretty color. Glitter glue definitely amplifies it, but I don't need it for what I'm doing today, so I decided not to do it. What are some of the things that you guys are thankful for in your life? I think it's so important to be grateful, not thankful, grateful. I think it's really easy to be grateful but forget to actually show gratitude. I think we get like so, you know, not wrapped, yeah, like wrapped up, but not like in a bad way. Life is life, and it just kind of moves you all around. I think sometimes we forget to stop and just say thank you to, you know, just being on this earth. I'm really thankful that I just get to be, you know, experiencing life on earth. It's such a privilege to be here, and you know, I think we always forget that. I'm grateful for our planet too, and I'm grateful for the universe, because it's just, you know, without that we wouldn't be here. And I like, okay, so this is my last video that was up on Monday, but I love outer space. So I'm thankful that I live in a part of New York that's not, I live in a suburban area, so I don't live in like a city, and I'm really grateful that because of that I don't have light pollution, and I'm able to see meteor showers. I mean, of course, you know, if I went farther up north I'd get to see a lot more, but I'm grateful that I live in an area that I get to see them, and I get to stargaze and all that kind of stuff, because that makes me really, really, really happy. So this is what the look is looking like so far. Okay, so off camera I just went in with Fenty's eyeliner in the color Purp-a-trader on my waterline, and now I'm just going to jump back into the palette, and I'm going to go into this darker purplishy brown color, and I'm going to apply that under my lower lash line. And then I just want to take a tiny little blending brush and just smooth it out. I did get a tiny bit of fallout on my face. I didn't actually get that on the other eye, so it must have just been me. Now I'm going to go back into this color. I believe this one is Mystic right here. And I'm going to apply that to my inner corner. So just like that. This is my finished look right here. Nice and light in a gray purpley look. I just finished up again with some magnetic lashes because I'm really having a good time playing around with them. That's another thing I'm thankful for. I'm thankful that there's magnetic liner lash glue, so that I'm allowed to, not allowed, but I'm finally able to play around with lashes, because for the 15 millionth time, I've said it in the last few videos, I can't wear regular lash glue because it really irritates my eyes. But these are fun. These are lashes from Eylure. I'll link them below and everything that I have. These are fun. I think they look really cute. I'm still like learning how to put lashes on myself. Once again, I am very grateful for Jennifer, aka Amethyst Winters, for asking me to be a part of this collaboration. I just thought it was a great idea to, you know, show your gratitude and bring some positivity to the beauty community. This is actually a great community, despite what some people may think. The people that I know and the people that I watch are amazing, and I'm really happy to have been embraced in this community. So thank you so much. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you wanted to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. I just thank you and I appreciate you, and I am so grateful that you stopped by. Thank you. As always, I will send you happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. Like I always do, I will list everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable. But of course, we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, so oh well. One more thing. So please, if you have time, check out everyone in this collab group. I'm really happy to be a part of it with these lovely, wonderful women. This was such a great collab idea. Again, I will have them all listed below as well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!